So this is an update video I wanted to make for the past few days. Actually, I was learning Vim key bindings and I wanted to see how it works for using it in Obsidian, because Obsidian में बहुत कुछ आप कर सकते हो with key bindings and a new Vim या Vim के key bindings से. So I thought that it will be a good idea to learn about it so that it helps with my workflow a little bit. And while learning it, I understood कि यार ये तो we can use it in our websites also. So normally when we do use any kind of website, उसमें ज़्यादा keyboard shortcuts होते नहीं हैं. And the one that I saw जो mainstream website है, it was only YouTube, which had quite a lot of keyboard shortcuts and good keyboard shortcuts. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपनी वेबसाइट पे बनाया जाए. So I have implemented a few shortcuts which you can see here. So it has focus search, home function like stashes, going to profiles, closing a dialog with escape, which is pretty normal. But आजकल के वेबसाइट्स में वो भी नहीं होता है. Editing stash and adding links, all with shortcuts. Okay, so you can just, like, if I press GP, which is go to profile, it opens up my profile page. If I do GH, it goes to the, and tab is pretty normal function which is implemented by default on any browser, right? So let's say I do open up a stash. Now if I want to change the view of it, I can just press V. So by pressing V, I can change the view. And I wanted to also make a video on this graph view, but इसमें अभी काफ़ी improvement करने बाकी है. You can just see how it works. It also shows connections. If there are links from the same site, then it shows connections of those links as well. To create a stash, you can just press, to create a link, you can just press A. It opens the add new link. And there are so many different shortcuts. मैंने तो learn भी नहीं किया. I can add more because right now it's not at Vim level के shortcuts, which of course you can implement by adding an extension. I forgot the name. Vim related extension है which allows you to use Vim या new Vim key bindings on your browser. ब्राउज़र में भी आप वैसे ही यूज़ कर सकते हो. So you can use all these shortcuts and it improves the workflow slightly. कुछ percentage, कुछ हद तक आपका workflow improve हो सकता है when you are adding lots of links and doing a lot of things on the website. So I thought, why not do it? And in future I may add a lot more because it's possible to do so. But right now, as जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे पास ज़्यादा कोई users है नहीं अब तक website पे, so I don't want to do all the effort for no one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. It was just a small update video I wanted to make. बहुत दिनों से I have not been doing anything related to the site. Although there have been incremental updates that I have been making on the site. Slowly छोटे updates बनाता जा रहा हूँ मैं, करता जा रहा हूँ. And it does improve the site slightly every time I do something. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.